Are you struggling to come up with fresh content ideas for the next month? Well, in this quick 3-minute tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to generate a month of content ideas using AI, and trust me, it's easier than you think. First, let's talk about the process. The key to generating a month of content ideas is consistency. The AI tool we'll be using helps you automate brainstorming so you can focus on creating rather than getting stuck on what to create. It's all about creating a structured framework for generating ideas quickly. Now, here's the key. Start by inputting a few of your content themes or topics into the software. For example, if you're in a niche like fitness, your themes could be exercise routines, healthy eating, or mental health. This step is crucial because the more specific your input is, the better the AI will be at tailoring ideas to your niche. If you leave things too broad, you might end up with ideas that don't hit the mark. Once you've inputted your themes, ask the AI to generate content ideas based on those topics. You can ask it for blog post titles, video ideas, social media captions, or even email newsletter suggestions. This will give you a big list of ideas that you can refine into a month's worth of content. The next step is to refine the ideas. Not every suggestion will be a perfect fit, so go through the list and select the ones that resonate with you. This is where you can put your personal spin on the ideas. For example, if the AI suggests 10-minute at-home workouts, you can make it more personal by turning it into 10-minute at-home workouts for busy parents. See how easy that is? Also, don't forget about repurposing. AI can help you come up with variations of the same idea. So, let's say you get an idea for a blog post. You can repurpose it as a YouTube video, a social media post, and even a podcast episode. The AI will save you tons of time and mental energy by giving you multiple formats to work with from one core idea. If you're wondering about the software we'll be using to help you with this, I've tried several popular options, but this one stands out. I've secured an exclusive free trial for you, available only for viewers of this channel. The link is in the description below if you want to follow along and try it out yourself. To wrap things up, here's the key takeaway. AI can be your best friend when it comes to generating a month of content ideas quickly and easily. By structuring your input and refining the ideas, you can create a whole month's worth of content in just a short amount of time. Here's a quick revision of what we covered. Start by defining your content themes. Input them into the AI software. Generate ideas, refine and repurpose them. And don't forget to check out the exclusive free trial link in the description below. That's all for today. Happy content creating.